Alright guys, today we've got a Briggs & Stratton lawnmower I picked up from my brother. It needs a pull cord and a few other things. We're going to see if we can destroy it. I'll take you along for the process. First we'll go ahead and remove this here shroud. It's about a 10mm, and that'll give us access to the pull cord so we can fix it. So it looks like just the handle broke off of here, and give it a pull and it's quite a bit of string in there, but it's not quite as powerful of a rewind as I'd like. So we're going to spin it up a few times and just give it a more powerful pullback. And just like that, we're fixed. We'll go ahead here and check the oil. It's in the safe zone. It's about good. Just remove the air cleaner assembly. Inside the carb looks extremely dirty, but we'll see if it'll run. And here's our first attempt at trying to start the lawnmower. Try priming it. I cheated and sprayed some brake clean in there. See how it goes. It works. So we know the old girl runs. Now what do we do with it? I'm going to go ahead and dismount the engine here. 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. And then you'll have to take the blade off. No big deal. Well, wouldn't you know it? Spilt some oil. And it's got water in it. Uh-oh. And the motor's now free. Just drain out some of this chocolate milk. As you can see, I got the bottom all wire brushed and all the bolts are exposed. I'm going to go ahead and take off the crankcase cover. I've got my puller set up here so I can take off this blade mount from the shaft. The puller's obviously way too big, but it does the trick. That kind is now removed, and we'll take the crankcase cover off now. Now we've got our crankcase bolts removed, and we'll be taking the crankcase off. got our crankcase exposed. It's the other side of the cover. Got the governor in here. As you can see, this is what we're left with. I got my gasket maker on the outside, and I put the copper never sees into the crank cap and the tappets and these gears. So I've removed the governor and we'll see what happens.